Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 125 different strategies, with 44 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video claims that this scalping made easy, no more trading losses. And so of course we are going to put that claim to the test. And so the strategy consists of two different indicators. We'll just go ahead and turn those off real quick. And the first indicator that we are going to put on screen is going to be the stochastic of 2-pole super smoother indicator. And that's going to be this one right here on the bottom of the screen. And the input, you're going to change it to this here, so 45, and you're going to change this one to 27. Everything else should be on default. And then the next indicator that we are going to put on screen is going to be the Vidya by Mermit, I think is how it's said. Could be saying that completely wrong. If so, I apologize. Anyways, so it's going to look like this right here. And so we're going to go into the settings and we are going to put the period here at 45, the period 2 at 90. And so that will give us what you see on screen right now. And so the strategy, basically the Vidya indicator here on the top of the screen gives us our overall trend direction. And so when the Vidya line, the purple line here, is above the orange, that means that we are in an uptrend. And then when the purple line is below the orange like this, that means that we are in a downtrend. So it gives us a pretty clear overall trend direction. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look for the stochastic of 2 indicator to give us our short signal or our long signal, and then we're looking for that to line up with the overall trend direction. So for right here, you can see that the purple line is above the orange. We are in an overall uptrend, and so then we are looking for the long signal from the stochastic of 2. And we get that all lined up right here, and so that will give us our long trade. We're going to set a long trade right here. We're going to put our stop just below the last swing to the downside there, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. So let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And you can see there that we make a really nice push to the upside there, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade. Alright, and so for the short trade, again, we are looking for the overall trend direction to be to the downside. So our purple Vidya line there is going to be below the orange one. And then we are going to look for an S tag, an S label there from the stochastic of 2. That's going to give us our short entry right there. And so we'll just go ahead and mark that right there. We're going to set our stop again, just right above the last swing there. And we're going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see once again, we make a really nice move to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting us right at a 46% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, of course, that does put things a little bit in our favor, like I say, in many videos. But let's say that on the winning side, you were looking to gain $600 per trade, and on the losing side, you'd be losing $400 per trade. It means on the winning side, you would have gotten a total of $13,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for a total gain of $3,000. Not too bad in about a month and a half. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times already in this video. We did 84 trades in the same period of time. We had 72 winning trades and 12 losing trades, putting us at an 85% win rate. Now, let's say that you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade. Your total gain would have been $43,200, guess I should say. And on the losing side, you would have lost $9,360 for a total gain of $33,840. Again, during about a month and a half. So a nice increase to say the least. Definitely far more than this strategy. And so strategy is definitely not bad. It would have gotten you some profits, and so not too horrible of a strategy to say the least. Now, if you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a 7-day free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Sasquatch. He is a professional full-time prop trader. He's one of the members on our Discord, and just for fun, he decided to take the Academy of Forex strategy and start a prop firm challenge with it. And within his first day and 30 some odd minutes, he did a 90% win rate with a 4.79% profit on his account. And so you can go ahead and take a look at his dashboard here and read through what he says there about the strategy. And so quite an interesting fellow. Just like me, he thinks it's fun and interesting to stare at charts all day long, I suppose. And so alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly trades. And so this is the trades from last week on these particular Forex pairs and one crypto coin using the Academy of Forex strategy. We had 6 trades altogether on the Forex pairs. We had 5 winning, 1 losing, an 83% win rate. With the same $600 risk reward there, a $600 gain per winning trade. Total would have been $2,220 on Forex, and we had 3 winning trades, 3 trades altogether on Bitcoin, and 3 winning with a 100% win rate and a gain of $1,800. So total for the week would have been $4,020. And so not a bad take at all for just a small handful of trades, most of them being winning trades. And so all in all, a super profitable trading strategy. That's it for this video here. We're going to go ahead and put this strategy on the winning list because, again, I do feel like there is some validity to it. And so we will put it on the winning list and move on to the next video from here.